Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Latham Buick GMC here in lovely downtown Richmond. I'm Ralph, and I'd like to take you on a quick walk around of this 2007 Malibu Maxx LT. And what a fine example of a Malibu LT it is, folks. Max, that is. Max, it certainly doesn't have max miles. It's got 9,000 miles, folks. An 07 fresh off lease Malibu Maxx with 9,000 miles, those beautiful chrome wheel appointments on this silver car, and it is just a good looking car, isn't it? 9,000 miles, what is $12,995. The 5-year 100,000 mile warranty on this car covering the engine and the driveline expires on what? 8/31 of 2012, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. 2012. You have a warranty on that engine, transmission, and driveline from General Motors. The finest powertrain, driveline warranty in the industry. Take a peek on the inside, folks. Immaculate. Power windows, locks, mirror, of course. Automatic. You got your steering wheel controls. And, you know, good looking interior. And it smells very fresh, folks. Of course, we shampooed the interior and everything. But you know what? Once they smell like an old dog, it always smells like an old dog. That's the way it is. This is a nice car. That's what we try to do here at Latham. I buy the low mileage lease cars and sell them for the least. That's what we do. That's why Richmond, this little store in Richmond, sells so many used cars. It's no secret. I hope my competitors don't watch these videos, but it's as easy as that. A 2007 9,000 mile Malibu Maxx LT. Not only a bit of a rare car, but a beautiful rare car. That's right, $12,995. Please give us a call, 586-727-3115, and we can arrange for a test drive in this beauty today. Thanks for your time, folks.